Hey everyone! If Roblox is taking forever to load, here's a clear step-by-step troubleshooting guide you can follow. Try each step in order and move on only if the previous one didn't fix it. That way you'll quickly find what's causing the delay. First, make sure you're using a supported, up-to-date browser. Chrome, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge work best. An old browser can struggle to load game assets and scripts. Next, check your browser security privacy settings. If you set strict blocking for cookies, scripts, or trackers, that can prevent Roblox from loading. Temporarily set your browser to default or privacy-friendly settings, or allow cookies and scripts for Roblox.com. Disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy plugins, or script blockers. These often block resources Roblox needs. Try opening an incognito or private window. Extensions are usually disabled there. And load Roblox. If it works, an extension is a problem. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to wired Ethernet connection if possible. Wi-Fi instability or packet loss causes long load times. If you can't use Ethernet, move closer to the router or restart your router. Restart your computer and close unnecessary apps. Background apps like VPNs, heavy downloads, cloud backups, or other games can saturate your CPU or network and slow loading. Check your firewall and antivirus. Sometimes security software blocks game assets or download servers. Temporarily disable the antivirus or firewall, or add roblox.exe or your browser to the allow or whitelist, and test. If that fixes it, add an exception rather than leaving protection off. Clear your browser cache and cookies, or if you use a Roblox app, clear the app cache, or reinstall the app to ensure a fresh, updated install. Corrupted cache files can stall loading. Make sure Roblox itself and any related plugins are up to date. If you're using the Roblox app on PC, uninstall and reinstall it to ensure a fresh, updated install. Check your internet speed and latency. Run a quick speed test. Roblox doesn't need massive bandwidth, but low download speed or high ping can cause low loading. If speeds are low, contact your ISP or try using a different network, mobile hotspot, for testing. If you're on a school, office, or public network, the network may block or throttle game servers. Try a different network, home or mobile, to confirm. If it works elsewhere, speak with the network admin. Disable VPNs and proxy services. They often add latency or route traffic through servers that slow asset downloads. Turn them off and try again. Lowered in-game or app graphic settings if you can cater to the game. Sometimes very high default settings try to load large assets up front. Reduce quality to speed initial load. Check Roblox status and server announcements. Rarely Roblox services or content servers have outages or slowdowns. A quick search for Roblox status or checking Roblox's official Twitter can confirm. And finally, if none of the above works, collect some info and contact Roblox support. Your OS and browser or app version, exact timestamps, screenshots, error messages, and a note of what you've already tried. That speeds up diagnosis. That's it. Go through these steps one at a time and you'll almost always find the culprit. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which fix works so I can help others faster. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.